Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video today we are going to discuss two product costing related issues. Okay, so we are going to do basically sale order costing, okay, which is a MTO scenario, make to order scenario. So in this basically when I'm doing the costing run, cost estimate, okay, there is a problem, so we are going to discuss this. So if you are new to the channel, please do like, share and subscribe, and there are a bunch of videos on the channel so you can go and watch. So I have uploaded configuration related, and the recent series was about the product costing process flow, and there are a dedicated playlist as well for real-time issues. All right, these are the controlling topics: ST, FIST integration, asset accounting, and yeah, there are 35 videos around for the real-time issues, real-time incidents, so which may help you to prepare for your interviews. All right, so in SAP, when I'm doing the standard cost estimate, so you can see here the routing activities are not appearing. Let me start from the beginning so that you can get some idea. So basically, this we are doing sale order cost estimate. So for this, we are using transaction code VA02 change sale order. There's another T code as well, so we will see that. I don't know. Okay, yeah, this is working. So this is my sale order which I created, and press enter and go to extras costing. Just remove this transfer control, press enter. This is sale order document, this is the material, and what you see here is this is the raw material which is coming from BOM, and these are the two activity types which are part of template, and these are the overhead items which comes through costing sheet. So if you see in the quantity structure, this is the BOM, and this raw material is coming from this BOM. Then we also have task list, and N means routing, right? So we have the routing system is selected, this one 58, but the routing line items are not appearing here. Whatever the activity types we have given in the routing, those are missing here. But system has determined the routing properly as per the configuration. Okay. And this is the costing variant PPC4 for the sale order costing. Now let us see what is the wrong. If we see the routing, double click on the routing, and here you can see these are the activity types we have given. Base quantity is 1. For one quantity of this operation, we need 3 hours of machine, 4 hours of labor, 5 kilowatts of power, 7 liter of fuel. All right. So I don't think there is anything wrong in the routing. Let's see the header also. We have given the uses, production, and release. Overall status is released. All right. What else we can see here? Okay, now let us see the BOM. BOM also we will see. Go back. This is the BOM. Double click on this and go to items. Here we can see 3 quantity of this raw material, and this raw material has a standard price as 100. Right, so in the sale order we have given quantity 10, so 30 quantity it is coming, right, for one quantity of finished product. we need three quantities of the raw materials. So 10 quantity of the finished product, which you can see in the lot size here. We need 30 quantities, so it is fine. For bomb, it is fine. And for template, if you see, we have template also. Here you can see this is the template D001S, and in the template we have assigned these two activity types. So this is also working fine. Okay, the issue is that why system is not pulling those activity types here, which we have given in the routing. Right, in the routing, those activity types are not showing here, and that's why the cost which we are getting, plan cost, which is not correct, right? The process cost we are not getting basically. Okay, so if there was something wrong with the costing variant, then system should have not picked this routing and the bomb, but it is picking, so that's fine. There's nothing wrong with the costing variant, right? Okay, so after doing so much work, checking a lot of settings, I found the solution for this, which I want to share with you. So there's something missing in the configuration. So let's go to SPRO, and we are going to check in the production module, PP module, right? Production. So here we go to shop floor control, then master data, and yeah, one more thing, that this cost estimate which we are doing, we are going to create a production order. In the past videos, if you have seen these videos, all these yellow color thumbnail, I have used process order, not the production order. The process order is fine for the MTS scenario, but now we are testing MTO scenario, which is make to order scenario, right? So in this, we need to create the production order after doing this cost estimate. Okay, so we are going to check the setting for the production order. So go to order, then order type. So which order type we are going to use? Basically, we are going to use PP01, standard production order. Earlier in the series, we have used PI01, which is part of the process order, which is not here. Okay, that's fine. There's nothing to do here. Now we are going to check define order type dependent parameter for production order. Okay, so our plant is T001. If you see here, see, this is for the process order. We have already done this setting, PI01 process order. In this, if you see, we just assigned the BOM application PI01, and these are the costing variants for different calculation, like plan cost, actual cost. Okay, nothing to do here. What I need is to add one more line here with D001 plant, but the order type should be PP01. Okay, so I'm going to copy the existing one, which has the PP01 order type. This is order type. Now copy and give the plant D001. Press enter. Okay, let's go inside. We are going to change few things here. This is fine, nothing to be changed here. Go to planning. Okay, and yeah, task list, basically application, it should be production P, selection ID and all. I don't know, leave it as of now. What else? This also we don't need. Should be fine. Now save it. Okay. Now let's go to the earlier screen. Go back. Don't save. We are going to recalculate. Go back. So the one way to calculate sell order cost is through VA02, or the another dedicated transaction code is CK51N. Let us see through that. Here also we need to give the sell order number. Press enter. Costing variant should be PC4. Okay, this system is determined automatically based on the sell order, what is the material, what is the plant, and PPC4. This lot size is 10 basically, which comes from the sale order quantity. We don't need this transfer control. Remove it, press enter. Now let's see if we are getting the routing activity types here in the atomization. I hope this should work now. Yes. So let me do category by subtotal. Right, so we can see here now this is working fine. This is the machine cost, activity cost machine, labor cost, power and fuel. This we were already getting. Now this 4 were missing from the routing, right? You can see in the routing we have given this 4 only. Go here. And you can see we are getting everything here, right? This is machine, labor, power and fuel. So this is fine. Now it is working fine. Okay, but I'm not going to save it now. There's one more error. At this point of time, it is fine. We have fixed whatever the value was missing. But the next step after saving this cost estimate in the sale order, the next step is to create the production order. Right, so I'm not going to save this and I'll show you to create the production order and what kind of error we are getting there. CO01 is the transition code. Let's do for this product. Order type should be PP01. Press enter. Fine up to here. Then give some date. Press enter. Okay, what system is saying is routing. No routing found. So is it true? So we are going to check. This is the material D001-FC2. So let us check if there is any routing for this material. So what is the T code for routing is CA01 is basically for creation. We're going to see in the 3 display. So this is our material. I don't know what is the number, so remove this. Remove date as well. Okay, date we have to give, I think. This is the 1st March. Press enter. And this is the 59. The routing is there. But system says routing doesn't exist. So you can see, I don't think so there's anything missing. Everything we have given here. And if you see the status at the header level, you can see 1 and 4 uses production. Overall status is 4, right? So there's nothing missing from the routing setup point of view. So how you get the basically root cause for this, right? Let me show you once again. CO01, because system doesn't display any elaborated message here, so it's sometimes tough to find out the root cause for this, correct? Because there is, if you click here, you'll just come out and there is no further information here to find out what is the reason system is saying this message that no routing found. So in that case, we need to check the configuration settings. So let us see configuration setting, the same step only right here. Production, then show floor control, master data, order, and define order type dependent parameter for production order. Okay, let's go inside and you're going to see what's missing over there. D001. Okay. Before this, I also want to show you the valuation this thing, costing variant setting in brief. So where can we see that? Okay, let's go to controlling so that we can connect the dots. Go to controlling, cost object controlling, go to sale order. So we are doing this for sale order. So the costing, sale order costing in MTO scenario. And here, not this one, this one. Okay, check costing variant for product costing. This is the variant when we run the cost estimate CK51N. You would have noticed this was the costing variant, right? So let's see what is inside this. These are the parameters of the costing variant. So now when when we create the production order and system says that routing does not exist or no routing found, that means something we need to check in this control, quantity structure control. So what we have selected PC01 standard quantity structure control 2. So go inside this. This determines how system is going to determine like fetch the routing or the BOM. So let's not talk about the BOM. BOM is working fine and check the routing. So what we have given ID here. See, this is called the selection ID. It's D1. So click here. What is the D1? D1 says sequence we have given. Selection priority 1, 2, 3, 4. The priority 1 is what? Task list type N is what? Routing. So system first, it will look for the routing. 2 is master recipe, right? So in our case, we are now checking the routing. Routing is N. So okay, that's fine. So first priority, it will check the routing. What else it will check? The uses. What is the uses? So one. One is what? Production. And that's what we have selected in the routing. You know, right? The status in the routing. Let me show you quickly. CA03. I think this is the one. Go to header. Uses, right? Production. So that's fine. System has determined it. Up to it is fine. Now what it says, status should be the 4. So if there is any status as 4, overall status, then system should select that routing. And we have the status also 4 here. Right, then what is the missing point? Why system is not able to determine the routing when we are creating the production order? So there is something in this key D1. D1 we have given here, but this D1 we forgot to link here. Okay, define order type, type dependent parameters. So go inside this and D001, PP01. We have to go inside this, and this is the selection ID. Okay, let's see, we have D1. Yes, we have D1. So anything you select here, system will consider all this. Just select D1 from here and save it. Now let us try to create the production order. Right, we are in the CO01 screen. This is the material. Center. And what else? Give the date. Enter. Now you can see there's no message, right? So it is working fine. Let's calculate and save, release, save. So the order has been created. We can see it. All right, so this is working fine now. So what we have seen in this video, basically, in the production order, when we create the production order, system says the error message, no routing exists or routing not found. No routing found, basically, right? So, and other was when we are doing the cost estimate for the sale order, system was not pulling the activity types in the itemization. So both we have seen. You can see quickly cost analysis as well. It's working fine. Everything is fine. Here also you will see activity types, right? These are the activity types. Everything is fine. And slash n CK51N is also working fine. So this is what I wanted to show you through this video, that two issues we have covered. One is in the cost calculation or standard cost calculation. There are the routing activity types was not selected, which is working now fine, right? These are the activity types coming from the routing. And other thing, when we are creating the production order, we were getting a error message where there is no much explanation about the root cause. The error was routing not found. So this is how we fix this issue. All right, thank you so much. Please do like, share, and subscribe. We will meet in the next video. There are two more issues lined up. One is about the internal order settlement. Other one is about the TDS. There is a TDS rate change starting from 1st April 2025 as per the union budget. Basically, it is kind of new condition is there. So that I'm going to show you in the next video how you can configure the system. All right, thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye. Thank you.